Hello friend, welcome to the Pure Mathematics channel, Math for Beginners, Arithmetic. It is class 21. Title of this class is Properties of Proportion. In this class, we will explain some important properties of proportion. Uh, proportion has proportion has the following the following properties. Proportion has the following properties. Number one, number one, the product of means is equal to the product of the extremes. Think cross multiply. If 2 by 3 is equal to 4 by 6, then 2 multiplied by 6. 2 multiplied by 6 is equal to 3 multiplied by 4. Number 2, actually the product of means is equal to the product of extremes. 2 multiplied by 6, 12. 3 multiplied by 4, 12. They are equal. It was first property. Second one, if you interchange the means or the extremes, then you get an equivalent proportion. Example, if 2 by 3 is equal to 4 by 3 by 6, then we change the plus of 3 and 4. 2 by 4 is equal to 3 by 6, or 3 by 6, we change the plus of 6 and 2. 6 by 4, 6 by 3 is equal to 6. We change the plus of these two. 6 by 3 is equal to 4 by 2. Here 2 by 4 half, 3 by 6 also half. 6 divided by 3, 2. 4 divided by 2 also 2. Third property. Third, if you take the reciprocal of both the ratios, then you get an equivalent proportion. Equivalent proportion. If 2 by 3 is equal to 4 by 6, then we make inverse these two ratio. 3 by 2 is equal to 6 by 4. Number 4, if you add 1 to both sides, then you get an equivalent proportion. If 2 by 3 is equal to 4 by 6, then 2 by 3 plus 3 by 3, it is equal to 1, is equal to 4 by 6 plus 6 by 6. This implies 3 plus 3 by 3 is equal to 4 plus 6 by 6. Actually, the proportion will not change it. Here will come another proportion which is equivalent. Fifth one, in an extended ratio, the ratio of the sum of all the numerators to the sum of all denominator is equivalent to each of the original ratios. If 2 by 3 is equal to 4 by 6 is equal to 6 by 9, then 3 plus 2 plus 4 plus 6 is by 3 plus 6 plus 9 is equal to 2 by 3 is equal to 4 by 6 is equal to 6 by 9. It is the another properties of proportion. Our next lesson will be types of proportion. Thank you.